Cough. Cough refers to a sudden expulsion of air from the lungs that helps clear the airways. It can be a reflex action triggered by irritants in the throat or respiratory tract. Coughing can also be a symptom of various health conditions, including colds, allergies, or infections. It is important to monitor the duration and severity of a cough, as persistent coughing may require medical evaluation. Learning outcomes 1. Identify customer needs with coughs including dry and chesty coughs. 2. Ask appropriate questions when dealing with coughs. 3. Identify instances when customers should be referred to the pharmacist. 4. Correctly recommend appropriate products and give advice to help relieve coughs.